Well, hello there, ladies. How you doing today? Hello. You're gonna probably fly up here, aren't you? Hey, ladies. Let's see if they'll fly up here. Oh, yep. Told you. You want to come up too? Look at you, you big bird. You made it up there all by yourself. How about it? You gonna come up? Come on. Come on. I shouldn't encourage this. Come here, little one. Come here. Come on. There you go. There you go. I shouldn't encourage you sitting on the thing like that. You can come and sit on me, though. Yeah. You funny little birds. All right, see you tomorrow.